Welcome to the Digital How-To series. Today I'm going to show you how to implement Google Tag Manager on your website. Google Tag Manager functions as a kind of simplified method of implementing tracking. It's a single snippet of code that you add to your website, which then allows you to add Google Analytics or Facebook or LinkedIn pixels on your website without the requirement of a developer. We'll show you how to do Google Analytics within Tag Manager in another video. To get started, log into your Tag Manager account and you can create a new account up here. We're going to do one for the algorithm website. Just select our country. And then this is for a website. Create the account, accept all the terms and conditions, and there we go as a starting point. This will then give us snippets of code that we need to implement on the website in order to kind of get this running. So you'll notice there are two separate pieces of code, one which goes into the head, one goes into the body, which I'll talk through in a bit more detail now. So I'm going to start off by copying this. And I'm using WordPress as an example here, but the same kind of logic applies to any CMS or any website that you kind of might have. If you do have any questions, you can speak to a developer, they'd be able to help out. So within WordPress, I'm going to navigate to Appearance and the Theme Options, which allows me to edit the template files for the website itself. So while this loads, I'm going to go into the header. So our header template right there, and this is where I'm going to start adding our code to kind of get Tag Manager up and running. So as mentioned, there's two snippets here. The first one goes into the head, which I'm going to copy again. And this you want to place right before the closing head tag. Again, speak to a developer if any of this is really confusing, but it should be fairly straightforward. I'm going to paste that into the head and then back to Tag Manager and copy the second snippet. And if at any point you do get stuck, they do include instructions here of where you need to implement this. So this one needs to go after the opening body tag. And scroll down, paste it in there, and then hit save. Now we've got Google Tag Manager implemented on our website, and we can go ahead and set up Google Analytics tracking via that. We'll do that in a separate video. That was how to set up Google Tag Manager on your website.